What's happening? Thanks for stopping by to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making chicken etouffee. Here are some of the ingredients, and I will have them detailed in the description below. First, you need a hot pan. That's very important. Always start your sauteing with a hot pan. So you're gonna take your marinated chicken thighs, which are boneless and skinless, and diced large. You're going to saute those until you get a little brown coloring, but you want to make sure you do not cook them all the way. Make sure you don't cook them all the way. No one likes tough, overcooked chicken, especially in a stew type dish. So in the same pan, you're gonna throw in about 4 tablespoons of butter, and then you're gonna put in your holy trinity, which consists of bell peppers, onions, and celery. After that, you're gonna add your tomato paste. Blend that very well, and you're gonna cook out the acidity. Very important to cook out the acidity because the acidity can really take over the whole dish, and you don't want that to overpower everything else. So you add your fresh minced garlic and 1 bay leaf, and you saute that. Then you're gonna add your flour. And basically what you're doing is you're making a roux within the dish, and you're doing all this in one pan. So we're essentially making this dish in one pan instead of 2 or 3 pans. Give that a nice stir. And then you're going to add 4 cups of your chicken stock. Chicken etouffee is a Creole dish. It's like a more fancier dish than Cajun. It's Cajun and Creole, they coincide with each other, but one is backcountry and one is more fancy. Creole is the fancy one, and Cajun is more outback country, things like turtle soup and things of that nature. So now you're gonna add your fresh tomatoes, and as you can see, you can kind of see the roux starting to activate and thickening the etouffee. So you're gonna throw in your Cajun seasoning, your salt, your pepper, get at a stir. Make sure everything is distributed evenly. You're gonna let that come to a boil. Then you're gonna add your sauteed chicken that you made sure not to fully cook. And you're gonna add that to your etouffee. And as you continue to cook, those juices from the chicken are gonna seep out into the etouffee. Bring that to a boil. And after it comes to a nice boil, you'll give it a little stir. You can see it's getting thick as we speak. You're gonna cover the chicken etouffee for about 15 minutes, and then you're gonna lower your heat to a simmer. Now when you're done, after those 15 minutes, you can either have a more loose etouffee like this, or you can let it sit for a little while and it'll get a little bit thicker. I like it like this, to be honest. But I appreciate y'all for stopping by. That's a little easy chicken etouffee. I'll see y'all for the next video. Be cool.